What's up, Domanters? We got a special episode here. I am doing my first unboxing on this channel. I'm excited. We have some dice from Die Hard Dice. Let's get into it. Let's see what they sent. First thing they sent is a purple matte magnetic dice tray. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use that. Definitely going to use that. Don't need to see that. That's my address. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. Oh, wait. 5 sets of dice. That's amazing. If you guys want to get your own set of Die Hard Dice, as we're going, if you see one that looks amazing, you can either go to Die Hard Dice and use Roll For Sourdough to get 10% off, or you can go and do my link space, and I have a link in there, or I'll leave a link in the description. All over the place, 10% off. Go get some dice. So let's start with this one first, see what they sent. Uh-oh. Got these black and gold dice. These are the Reforgers, so these are recycled dice. They're super cool. Let's get them out. Ooh, look at that. Like, they're super cool. Super cool. I love that they recycled some of their dice to make new ones. It's super dope. Let's give that D20 a roll through. Yeah, I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that. That one is dope. Thank you, Die Hard Dice. This one is called the Whipped Honey Dice. Super dope. They're like a nice shade of honey yellow. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. I like them. I like them a lot. Get a dice roll. Boom. Like them. I like them. These are nice. It's all my favorite colors, purple. And yeah, they sent these. These are dope. Look at these bad boys. These I'm definitely using in my personal games. These are nice. You know, I like the feel of them too. I like the feel of these dice. Let's get a roll. Yeah. These are good. These were the Void Reaver with silver, because I didn't give you a name. Void Reaver with silver, and they're nice. And now we get to the big boys, the main attraction, if you were. Great case. Let's see. Ooh, metal. These are metal dice. Big babies. Look at this. I like this one. Purple and white. Go Vikings. I love it. Yeah. These ones are dope. These are the Celestial Harbingers. They're dope. And the last one. Let's see what this last one is going to be. Did we save the best for last? Did we save the best for last? These are the Dracona Embers. So I think they're gonna be red. Ooh, these are sick. These are just straight nasty. Look at them. Look how they shine in the light, my friends. If you get that, if you get that reference, leave it in the comments. Also metal. Also just, oh, they're so good. So good. Look at these babies. Yeah, this is my haul from Die Hard Dice. Again, 10% off if you use the code Roll For Sourdough or follow my link. Shout out to them. Shout out Die Hard Dice. These are amazing. Thank you very much for the welcoming gift. You guys go blow them up. At least go look at them. Definitely buy some new dice if you need some dice. These are all amazing. They feel great. They look amazing. I don't know if my camera does justice, but thank you guys for watching. And until next time, have a good day.